The process of highlighting hair is simple. We will show you the technique using foils just like the professionals do. By applying highlights, you'll achieve that sun-kissed glow. Collect all the supplies and set up your workspace ahead of time because once you mix the powdered bleach and developer, you need to apply it right away. You won't be able to run around the house looking for your missing supplies.
You will need a few tools and supplies, some of which come with your prepackaged highlighting kit. First, you will have the color kit, which includes gloves to protect your hands from the caustic highlighting agent, a powder and a developer, with a brush and bowl for application. You'll need a cape to protect you, a rat tail comb with a metal handle to weave the hair and make even parts, a brush, and clips to keep the hair out of the way as you add highlights. Then you'll need foil that you have already cut. You will use this to protect the hair underneath the newly highlighted layers of hair. And finally, shampoo and conditioner for color-treated hair. Foils come in different ways. You can buy rolls or pre-cut ones at beauty supply houses. Or you can buy sandwich foils at a discount grocery and cut them yourself to the size you need. The general size of a piece of foil is approximately a 5 by 8 inch rectangle. Read the instructions that came with the kit and mix the powder and developer according to the directions. We are going to show you highlighting techniques using foil. It will take a little skill, so we suggest practicing with conditioner first so that you will feel confident when you are using the actual highlighting solution. To start, use a comb with a metal handle to make a part around a 2-inch section of hair on top of your head. Clip it up on top. Undo the clip using the comb with the metal handle again. Part a 1/2 inch section of hair away from the back and reclip the hair out of the way. Now slice off a 1/8 inch section of the 1/2 inch section. This is the section where you will weave the handle of the comb in and out to separate the strands you will highlight. If you want to highlight chunky strands, weave the hair in the 1/8 inch section like this. If you want medium strands, weave the hair in smaller amounts. And if you want fine strands, weave the hair in very small amounts. We are going to use medium strands for this demonstration. While holding the strands of hair out of the way with one hand, take a piece of foil and place your comb with the metal handle approximately 1 inch from the top. Fold the top of the foil over the handle of the comb so it wraps around and holds it. Now you can use the comb handle to insert the foil under the layer of weaved hair, isolating the strands from the rest of the hair. Firmly press the handle into the scalp. Now hold the foil with the strands on it steady with one hand and slide the comb out with the other hand. Continuing to hold the foil and hair strands steady, take the brush with a good amount of color solution on it and apply it onto the hair, beginning 1/4 inch away from the scalp. Pull it down onto the rest of the hair on the foil. For long hair, such as we have here, you will need to pick up the ends and bring them up onto the foil and paint until all the hair is covered with the product. Gently feather toward the roots, not touching the scalp at all. This will give the end result a natural look. If you do get color on the scalp, you will have unsightly spotting in the root area. Now fold the foil twice until it reaches the scalp. Unclip the top section and take another 1/2 inch part out, reclip, Then take a 1/8 inch part and weave it the same way you did before. Repeat until you have completed the amount of hair that you want highlighted. When you are ready to do the bangs, you can have the person turn towards you. Use the same technique to part and weave the hair. Then add foil and color. Repeat as needed. When you are done with the bangs, lift the foils up gently and fold all of the bangs back. Clip in place. To highlight the sides, first bend all of the ends of the finished foils up and out of the way. To do this, you can press the comb down on the spot where you want the foils to bend and push the ends up. To avoid having too many highlights in one area, take the first section that you part on the side of the head and pin it up with the foils on the top of the head. Then you can continue working down the side. Repeat the same process, weaving a section of hair, placing foil under it, applying highlighting solution, and folding it up. Go as far down towards the ear as you want for the look you want to accomplish. Repeat on the other side. Now you need to monitor how the hair is changing color. Once you are done, do not manipulate the hair in any way. After about 15 minutes, look at a section of hair just to see how quickly it is starting to lighten. You can remove a little of the solution from a strand with a damp paper towel to see the color. If the hair is not as light as you want, wait longer. Here's a hint. Don't leave the solution on any longer than it states in the manufacturer's directions, as it may damage your hair. Dark hair takes more time to process than light hair. Processed hair takes the shortest time. Some kits come with a toner that you can apply afterwards if the end result is too brassy. Once you are satisfied with the shade of the highlights, remove the foils and shampoo the hair 2 times. When you remove the foils, it is okay for the treated hair to briefly touch the untreated hair, but it needs to be washed immediately. Make sure you wash all of the product out, as it will continue to lighten the hair and damage it if you don't. Finally, use a good conditioner. Highlights always add more body to the hair. If you feel that your hair is limp, a little texture from the lightening will always make it curl better and give it more body. Blow dry and style as usual, and enjoy your new do.